how does the 1GR long block engine assembly perform in a 2010 FJ Cruiser? Oh, you're spot on with your curiosity. The 1GR long block engine for models like the FJ Cruiser from 2002 to 2021 is a powerhouse. It's expertly crafted to enhance durability and peak performance, especially tuned for those off-road adventures. With direct compatibility, improved horsepower, and torque, it revitalizes your ride seamlessly. So if you're looking for a reliable upgrade, definitely check this one out. Get yours now and experience the difference firsthand.